Hello gamers, today's video is going to be on kindsneaker.com. They have a great selection of every single hype shoe, even ones that haven't came out yet, and that's what today's video is going to be about. So here we can see their hot sales as well as their new in. If we go to the next page, we can see they have the Travis Scott Jordan 1s right here. These haven't even dropped yet and the reps are already great, but this is what today's video is going to be on, the Yeezy Statics. So the Yeezy Statics, they're the original static V2s except just in an all black colorway this time. As you can see, you have the price here in every currency as well as every single size. So I'm going to select my own size here. Then you can pick your quantity, which I guess would be 1. And then if you would like to buy or add to cart, you just have to create an account. So as you can see here in the photos, the replica is basically perfect. The shoe didn't even came out yet, so expect flaws, if there is any, to be fixed within new batches after the release. Anyway, so here you can go to the bottom of the page and check out their payment section. So here's the 2 payment methods they accept currently. We have PayPal as well as Western Union. So PayPal is what I would recommend, but if you would like to use Western Union, that's alright too. And here's the About Me section. So they have no sales tax, money back guaranteed, etc., as well as free returns. So you're always 100% guaranteed that you'll enjoy your shoe. Anyways, let's just get into the unboxing. Okay, so here they are. These release, I think, June 11th, which at the time of this recording is in about a month. So they're literally just the static V2s, but all black. As you can see, the stripe is see-through, exactly like the first statics. You can't exactly tell because I don't have a sock in, because it's just my hand, but if you could, then you'd be able to see it. And then we got the pull tab here. This is the same pull tab they used for the Pirate Black V1s in the first release of the Yeezys. And then here at the bottom you can see the boost. It's pretty perfect. It also feels extremely squishy and comfortable as well. If you notice any dirt or anything like that, it's because I wore them at once outside just to test the boost quality, because a lot of reps get it wrong. And here's the other shoe. We got the exact same thing. The boost is great. So it's just another side view of both shoes really quickly. As you can see, you can barely see it, but the insole is perfect as well. It hasn't come off. I wore them once, but I believe they have high quality. So as you can see through the stripe there, you can see the white from the Balenciaga box. Here's both shoes together this time. Same thing. Okay, well, let's get into the static part. Alright, here we got the static lacing, so with the flash on, it's really easy to tell. There's little sparkles through the entire shoe, as well as the extremely flashy laces. So now you might be able to spot some dirt or whatever, but that's fine, obviously. They didn't come like that, of course. Here you can also have the 3 stripes on the inside. They are also 3M. I'll show you that better in a second, but we keep showing this other shoe, exactly the same, of course. Sparkles everywhere. There is going to be a 3M completely reflective pair releasing, but this is not that pair. So this is only the laces and little sparkles everywhere. Well, let's just get into the box now, I guess. Okay, so the box came in great condition, as you can see right here, size 7. It came with bubble wrap all around it, as well as in another box, so that's double boxed. And you can see the color of the box is also correct. But I'm just going to open it up now, and I'll show you that too. Okay, so here now that it's open, you can see what this it comes with. So it comes with a StockX card, which I will show you right now, and a StockX sticker right here, as well as a StockX tag, but I will show you that after. So we got a couple other little things that came on the shoes, just these little tags that come on retail pairs as well, and then it came with plastic. And here's the back side of the StockX tag. So here, just a better view. It's kind of worthless, but it goes to show the quality that they put into it. And for the last item that came with the box is going to be the StockX tag. I know that this does scan with the QR code exactly like the real one does, opening the StockX.com website, so that's perfect. I don't know why you need this. You shouldn't be reselling reps as real or anything like that, but I guess it's cool to have.